Hello, my name's John Fuller. We are continuing our discussion of the U.S. criminal court system, specifically our book, American Criminal Courts, Legal Process and Social Context. Today we're going to talk about specialized courts. There are a number of courts that are parallel to the criminal court that have special places to deal with people with certain types of issues. The types of courts we're going to talk about today are drug courts, youth courts, domestic violence courts, and mental health and veterans courts. Now, the idea behind the specialized courts is these courts can devote resources to their clients so that they not only get their day in court, but they also get specialized treatment programs designed to address the underlying issue that is inherent in why they committed their crimes. Typically, specialized courts really kick in after a plea bargain where the guilt or innocent determination has been made. These people usually plead no contest or guilty and are sent to the specialized courts where the idea is that the specialized courts will find appropriate treatment programs for them. Probably the largest, most numerous type of specialized courts are drug courts. Drugs are a big problem not only for society, but also for the criminal justice and the court system. There are so many drug offenders clogging up the system that many people contend that drugs are being given disproportionate attention in the criminal justice system, and they are sapping resources from other types of crimes, especially personal violent crimes like homicide, assault, rape. And so the process is to divert these people out of the normal criminal court into a specialized court where special prosecutors, special public defenders, and special judges look at the case in a holistic manner and try to determine a drug treatment plan. Once this drug treatment plan is enacted, the court stays involved with the case until the sentence is concluded. In the criminal court, once a judge makes a determination, the case kind of leaves his or her hands. In the drug court, the judge makes sure that he or she monitors the progress of the client throughout the entire process. Another type of specialized court are youth courts. This is especially interesting and somewhat controversial. Youth courts are courts where young people who have been committed a crime come before their peers and have their day in court before their peers. The judge is a young person, the prosecutor is a young person, the defense attorney is a young person, the jury are all young people. Many of these people are people who have already gone through the youth court. The idea behind the youth court is peer pressure. When your case is decided by your peers, it is assumed that you will pay more attention to the treatment plan and the whole process. It's almost as if it's more embarrassing in front of your peers, and in this way you are deterred from committing future types of crimes. Domestic violence courts are also extremely important. Once a determination has been made that there has been violence in the home, these domestic violence courts employ the services of specialized judges and specialized counselors to help address the problems of domestic violence. Whether it's a husband beating his wife, or parents beating their children, or even elder abuse, where an elderly person is abused by family members. By having specialized courts that deal with domestic violence, we can bring to bear all the research, all the understanding of why people engage in domestic violence, and perhaps provide better treatment plans for not only the offender, but also better victim services for victims in the crime, the spouse, the children, and other people impacted by the crime. And finally, there are veteran courts and mental health courts that deal with people who have specific problems. Veteran courts are particularly new on the specialized court scene, and it has to deal with veterans who have served their country faithfully, but have gotten in trouble with the law. And these people can often be redeemed with a little bit of extra effort and diverted from the adult criminal justice system, and especially diverted from prison, because they are not really career criminals. They are people who have experienced problems like post-traumatic stress syndrome and just need a little help in terms of adjusting to conventional society. Specialized courts can be controversial, but they also can be very beneficial in reducing the cost of justice and treating people with specific needs. Thank you.